Okay, I'm
Hi, how are
filming.
you?
Good, how are
You're
you?
videotaping me?
I'm
Oh my
videotaping.
God, I should have fixed my hair.
I'm rolling.
I look
Who
like
knows
a
what...
hairy blonde.
No, you look perfect. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. How about
Well, you
yourself?
can't,
Good.
don't use that against us.
Okay.
On the
Right.
video.
Yeah, it's weird. It doesn't happen when you stop and then turn. It just is when you're driving and then turn. Anyway, say hello, Kevin.
Hello, Kevin.
Kevin Mayer. What is the name of the shop? Is it Vanagon Repair?
Vanagon Repair, whatever, yeah.
Okay.
We have all kinds of names.
This
for
is
it
our
because of the brand.
Vanagod, I think we call you.
Vanagon is good. I could be. There's many people. There's Vanachondriacs. There's Vanaholics.
Oh, there we
There's
go.
a Van Man. There's a Vanicizer.
Those are all your aliases?
There's a Vanaphobe. no, every one of these get well classified. There's a Vanafight. There's a Vanaphony.
Oh my gosh.
Guy, a Vangineer.
Vanager.
And they're all self-explanatory.
Oh no.
Yeah, we have all kinds. Hi, Pat Green. How are you? Doing good. Can we do the Liberty Bell tonight?
What are you doing tonight?
What I'm going out to dinner with you. What are you doing?
So, battery.
Why could you plug the van in?
We could.
Are you plugging the van in?
No, we're not.
Well, that's probably why your battery's not holding the
No,
charge.
Well, the rest has a charger. No, it does have a charger to do that.
Okay, so it doesn't matter the
So
battery.
just when it's parked, just leave it plugged in.
Yeah. If you wind up in a campground and you plug in, you have not only have power, but you have unlimited 12 volt.
I just realized I'm holding the phone the wrong way. And Subi swaps.
At this juncture in time, that's my favorite conversion.
Okay. No Bostigs?
The Bostigs are a tremendous do-it-yourself kit.
Okay.
They are.
Oh, so you wouldn't do that.
I
People would do
it.
that.
No, but they're designed so the owner can do it.
Yeah.
They're magnificent engines in that they are reliable,
Yeah.
like you would not believe. Parts at this juncture in time are still relatively cheap.
Mm-hmm.
They don't offer a whole lot more power or performance than a stock 2.1.
Okay.
They're just unbelievably dependable.
There's
There's also vampires. See a
Vampire?
Oh, yeah, they
That's
suck
the
the
Halloween
life out of us.
edition.
They suck the life out of us.
Oh my
Survival
Survival
we have a lot of
requires
these.
ambition.
Lot of these.
Zoom in on that.
Hypochondriacs?
A lot of these.
Okay,
I got a drip.
Vanachondriac.
My engine's
Would that be
blowing.
me a little bit? I'm afraid something's going to go wrong at all times.
Could be.
He begs to differ.
No, Vanacondrac is convinced that something is always wrong.
You're a Vanna.
You're not a Vanacondrac.
She's a Vanaphobe.
You might be a Vanaphobe.
Okay.
You're a little nervous.
Some
So
plants.
enhance the air conditioning too is if you can make sure that there is no air leading into the cabin while you're driving. In other
You
words,
told me that.
your vents have to be shut off. I do have some people actually take the grill off and
And
put
put it-
masking tape over the intake for
You
the
told me.
summer.
I don't know if I would go that far.
Well, air is
Yeah.
just enough to create
Yeah.
a little front to push the air conditioning to the back of the van.
Right.
Yeah, we do everything that other Vanagon
And
places
if,
don't do.
and if humidity levels change too rapidly, the two fronts could meet right in the van, and you could have a thunderstorm.
Now that I would like to
So
see.
Westgate, all those places,
That's a
they can hang with
Van-
us. We do everything. They just do engine and
We got
accessories.
Well, you guys are the Vanagon specialists.
Well, and then we're going back to your hot rod theory.
Yeah.
What the problem is with the people who buy the Vanagons
Yeah.
is they're under this belief because they want
We'll zoom in on that.
pristine,
Right.
but what they're actually getting
It's Christine. Okay.
These things
Never know.
just fly out of our mouths while we're talking.
It's great.
So we just decide to write them down.
Especially when we're cursing.
And we don't fix vans, we fix lives.
Okay. That's another
And
good
this is our
one.
real motto right down there.
This is like
our
Vanagon
mission.
school.
This is our mission
Okay.
statement, though. We
Yeah.
get it right the first time,
Uh-huh.
no matter how many times.
We fulfill fantasies. Sayings for everything.
No, vlogging is not a lot of work.
Now, bikini girls, it's hard to keep people interested.
Exactly. I'm too old. So when I leave here, you guys will you'll pick a label for me.
Yes, we put a mark.
In Scientology, that would be they have what's called a tone scale,
Okay.
which is the scale of emotions from total anger to total euphoria, and
Okay.
everything in between it.
Am
And
I
how does it
leaving
feel
my
this?
van with the
So
Scientologist?
the tone scale of emotion, and somebody comes, from relating to people, if someone
Yeah.
is totally angry,
Right.
and you speak to them from a point of total happiness, they're just going to get angrier.
Does that have to do with
So you have
vibrations?
to match. You have to match their emotion. Right?
And then we have people that come in as something.
Oh my
That
god.
goes in as
So
something.
you got to at least be
Yes.
concerned.
And then they leave
And
as
then they
something
leave
else.
as something else. The van man
I
Okay.
can't.
is a hippie guy who just can't stop saying the word
This is
man
like there's like
after
a
the
flow
word
chart
man.
in your head that
But people actually ask us when we're done.
Yeah.
if they've moved up or down.
Uh,
You have an
the-
auxiliary battery problem, you have beta odometer, and
We have
and
intermittent-
power when they
and it
leave.
bucks and farts turning right, the solution is very simple, just turn off.
Right.
Blue light can't go to New Jersey.
God.
Now, what he just said,
Yeah. Is ringing a bell.
that's my theory.
Your tank is very old, that something happened to this pipe, and it's not drawing from the center of the tank. The big issue is, see these things?
Yeah.
They leak.
I
Water
know.
gets in there and rots the van out. You gotta, periodically, there's a false bottom under your sink. You
Okay.
gotta pull that out, put your fingers back there and see if you feel wetness. Yeah, we gotta tint those windows.
I know, man. Day like today. What's up?
See the one with all the grass around? That's mine. I can't get back to it.
Man, it's got weeds growing right through
I can't
the.
get to finish my engine conversion.
Yep, you're too busy. Here's ours.
Locked up?
Boy, look at that good-looking van.
That's sexy. Okay, I'll
Gotcha.
Cool.
Cool.
You can
Thanks,
put 'em in
Kevin.
there. All right, keep smiling.
All right, you too.
Just give it a walk around.
Yep. See ya. We ready?